Welcome back to all old rare coins, coin collectors and enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the 1937 United States 1 dime, a key piece of American coinage history. Stick around to find out its origins, key features, and, of course, its current market value. The 1937 dime is part of the Mercury dime series, officially called the Winged Liberty Head dime. This series was minted from 1916 to 1945 and designed by Adolph A. Weinman. The obverse features Lady Liberty donning a winged cap, symbolizing freedom of thought, while the reverse showcases a fasces and olive branch, representing strength and peace. In 1937, Mercury dimes were minted at 3 locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco, Philadelphia. No mintmark 56.9 million minted, Denver. Mintmark 14.1 million minted. San Francisco, mintmark 9.7 million minted. The mintmark can be found on the reverse, just to the right of the fasces. So, what's a 1937 dime worth today? It depends on its condition and mintmark. In circulated condition, expect $40,000 to $50,000 for Philadelphia, $55,000 to $65,000 for Denver, and $4 to $10 for San Francisco. In uncirculated grades, MS60 or higher, values increase to $25,000 to $30,000 for Philadelphia, $35,000 to $50,000 for Denver, and $50,000 to $70,000 for San Francisco. Rare, high-grade examples, especially those with full split bands on the fasces, can fetch hundreds or even thousands of dollars at auction. When collecting 1937 dimes, look for coins with full split bands on the fasces, as these are highly desirable. Additionally, avoid cleaned or heavily worn coins, as they lose significant value. The 1937 Mercury dime is a timeless treasure, representing artistry and history in a small package. Whether you're starting your collection or searching for high-grade pieces, this coin is a gem worth exploring. Now, we're diving into a classic American coin, the 1945 United States 1 dime, part of the beloved Mercury dime series. Stick around to learn its history, design details, and what it could be worth today. The 1945 Mercury dime was minted during the final year of World War II and marks the end of the Mercury dime series, which ran from 1916 to 1945. Designed by sculptor Adolph A. Weinman, the coin embodies American ideals of freedom and strength during a pivotal era in history. In 1945, dimes were minted at 3 locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco, Philadelphia. No mint mark over 159 million coins were struck. Denver, mint mark around 40 million coins were minted. San Francisco, mint mark nearly 41 million coins were produced. The Philadelphia coins had the highest mintage, while the Denver and San Francisco mints produced fewer, making them more sought after by collectors in higher grades. The obverse features Lady Liberty wearing a winged cap, symbolizing freedom of thought. Surrounding her are the words "Liberty" and "In God We Trust," with the date, 1945, below. On the reverse, you'll see a fasces, a bundle of rods with an axe, symbolizing unity and strength, surrounded by olive branches, which represent peace. The artistry of this coin is timeless and still admired by collectors today. So, what's the value of a 1945 Mercury dime? These coins are worth around $15,000 to $25,000 due to their 90% silver composition. Values jump significantly, ranging from $35,000 to $40,000 depending on the grade. For example, a 1945 with full split bands on the fasces can fetch $60,000 to $70,000 or more. Full split bands indicate a sharply struck coin, a highly desirable feature for collectors. The 1945 Micro S variety, where the mint mark is unusually small, is particularly valuable, often selling for thousands of dollars in excellent condition. When collecting 1945 dimes, look closely for mint marks and strike quality. Coins with full split bands and minimal wear are the most valuable. To preserve your coins, store them in acid-free holders or certified slabs, and avoid cleaning them, as this can lower their value. The 1945 Mercury dime is a remarkable piece of American history, marking the end of an iconic series and the culmination of a wartime era. Whether you're adding to your collection or just starting, this coin has so much to offer. In the last, we're taking a closer look at the United States 1942 1 dime, part of the iconic Mercury dime series. Stay tuned to uncover its history, design details, and current value. The 1942 Mercury dime was minted during a pivotal year in American history. With the United States actively engaged in World War II, this coin reflects the resilience and determination of a nation. Designed by Adolph A. Weinman, the Mercury dime, struck from 1916 to 1945, remains one of the most beautiful and collectible coins in U.S. history. In 1942, the dime was minted at 3 locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Let's look at the mintage numbers. Philadelphia, no mint mark, over 205 million coins were struck. Denver, D mint mark, about 60 million coins were produced. San Francisco, S mint mark, around 49 million coins were minted. The Philadelphia mint produced the highest number, but all 3 versions are widely collected, especially in higher grades. The obverse of the coin features Lady Liberty in a winged cap, symbolizing freedom of thought. Surrounding her are the inscriptions "Liberty" and "In God We Trust," with the year 1942 prominently displayed. The reverse showcases a fasces, a bundle of rods with an axe, symbolizing strength and unity. It's surrounded by olive branches, representing peace. This combination of symbols is a testament to the ideals America stood for during World War II. Let's talk about value. The worth of a 1942 Mercury dime depends on its condition and mint mark. In circulated condition, these coins are worth $5,000 to $8,000 due to their 90% silver content. Uncirculated examples can range from $10,000 to $15,000 or more, depending on their grade. Coins with full split bands on the fasces, a sign of a sharp strike, can fetch $15,000 or more in higher grades. There's also the 1942 41 overdate variety, where parts of the 1 from 1941 appear under the 2. These coins are rare and highly sought after, with values ranging from $40,000 to over $60,000 depending on condition. If you're looking to collect a 1942 Mercury dime, keep an eye out for coins with minimal wear and sharp details. Look closely for the 1942 41 overdate variety, as it's a true gem in the Mercury dime series. To preserve your coins, store them in protective holders and avoid cleaning them, as this can diminish their value. The 1942 Mercury dime is more than just a coin, it's a piece of history that tells the story of America during one of its most challenging times. Whether you're a seasoned collector or new to the hobby, this dime is a treasure worth exploring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest coin reviews. Let us know in the comments which coin you'd like us to feature next. Thanks for watching All Old Rare Coins.